Hi guys, welcome back to Bitesize Excel. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the left, right and mid functions. Now these are useful if you want to find specific text within a longer string of text and want to have it in its own cell. So in this example here, we have a list of dates and times with the day at the start, so day, date and then time. And what we want to do is we want to just extract the day. So we can do that using the left function. So the syntax for this is equals left. Then you select the cell you want to take your text from, put in a character, and you say how many characters from the left you want to include in your new cell. Now in this instance, we just want the day, so we want the first 3 characters. If we hit enter, you'll then see you have Monday. And if you drag this down, it will pull through all the relevant days of the week. So we can do the same thing to extract the time using the right function. Now there are 8 characters here in the time, so we want the 8 characters from the right. So what we do is we type equals right, and we again select our cell that we want our text to come from, and then put in the number of characters. In this instance, we want 8 characters. And as you will see, it's pulled out the 8 characters from the right of the cell. And again, similar to how we did last time, we can copy this down and it will pull out all our times. Now that's helpful for text that is a standard number of characters from either the left or the right of the cell. But say, for example, in this instance, we wanted to pull out the date. This again, in this particular example, is a standard number of characters. So we got 3 for the day, a space, and then 6 characters here for the start. So our year starts on the 11th character, and we want to pull out our year into this final column. So to do this, we use the mid function. So equals mid. And again, we select the cell that we want our text to come from. And the next part of your function is your start number. This is the number of characters into your cell you want this text to start. And as we said, there's 10 in front of the date, so we want it to start on the 11th character. So we put in 11, and we wanted to pull out the year, which is 4 characters long, so put in a 4 and hit enter. And as you can see, you have the year. And again, similar to how we did before, we can drag this down. So this has been a very quick introduction to your left, right and mid functions and how you use them when you've got standard length of text within your cell. In a later video, we'll show you how to combine it with other functions to pull text out in cells where your text maybe is a non-standard format. I do hope that you found it useful. Please do leave me a comment, like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.